Now here is how you can delete emails in bulk in a Gmail on your iPhone. Let me talk about it and explain it. Let's get started. Subscribe if you're new and we can get into it. It all comes down to which email client you are using. You might be using the built-in email app made by Apple, or you can as well get the official Gmail app by Google, which I'm going to actually start with. So if I open it up like this, you can see I'm in the middle of something, right? But you can see I have a couple of emails in here, whatever. And if I want to delete them in a bulk, I have to select multiple of them, right? So I have a few options. So obviously, if I click on the email right here, it makes it open up, right? But what I can do instead is to tap on the icon right there of the profile picture. And in this, as you can see, selects the images, right? So I can keep on selecting more and more, and then I'll have the ability to click on the trash right here to delete the messages in bulk. You can as well see that I have the option to click on a select all, which selects the 50 images because it's in Gmail. It's separated by these like pages. You have the same stuff on a desktop as well, that one page has 50 emails, right? But I can keep on scrolling and more should be revealed once it loads up, right? And as you can see, I can click on select all and that's 100 emails, right? So as I say, it kind of works in this type of pages where it contains 50 emails. So if you have, as I say, if you have multiple of them, you can select as many as you want and click on the delete, or you can as well archive them to like move them away from the main page, but you kind of like still keep them on your device and in your account. So that's how you could approach this. Outside of that, I quickly mentioned that you might as well be using the built-in mail app, and in there it kind of works similarly. You just perform it using the select tool, and you can as well select as many as you want, right? And you can tap on the three dots and show some different information about it. So yeah, that's how you can do it if you have Gmail in here, but I believe most people use the built-in or the Google Gmail app. So let me know your thoughts about it below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.